Welcome to your 60-second veggie tray habit experiment. This isn't just a tray of veggies, it's your shortcut to healthy, no-brainer snacks and meals. And the best part? So many of these are already prepped at the store now. No chopping, no peeling, just grab and go. Pick your favorites, dump them in, and boom, done in under a minute. Use them all week with dips and salads, with lunch. Okay, your habit experiment challenge. Make one tray, use it all week. See how easy healthy eating can be with just your 60-second veggie tray.
Hey, we just made the 1-minute veggie tray. Now we're going to take that veggie tray and make it the quickest salad ever. So I'm not going to use every single vegetable here, but I'm just going to use a few of them. Look, they're already washed. They're already prepped. It's just going to be a couple chops and ta-da. So we're going to do some, and no laughing at my knife skills, okay? No judgment. All right. Ta-da! We got carrots. Now, the tomatoes, we don't even have to do anything. We're just going to throw those babies in there. No cutting at all. We're going to take a couple of these cucumbers. And what's nice is they are washed and you don't even have to peel these baby cucumbers because the skin is super soft and it tastes good. No waxy weird skin. Oops. I had one run away. Okay. All right. Last one. I'm not going to put celery and jicama on it. I feel like it's a little overkill. So we are just going to add a little bit of, what is this stuff, cauliflower? Yeah, a little bit of cauliflower. Just going to take off a little bit of the stems. So they're just like little tiny florets. And we'll just throw them in the trash. Or maybe you just eat it as a pre-dinner snack. Ta-da! Quickest salad ever, courtesy of your 1-minute veggie tray.